Hi guys, it's Red Dot Monkey here, and I got a thing today from Smith's toy store. Went to go and pick up some presents for my sister because it's nearly her birthday, so yeah, that's why we went to Smith's. I saw this like, cool, that looks really cool, so that's how you get it. It is a Flick Tricks DK bike. My first ever finger bike. Actually, no, it's not. My first ever proper finger bike. This is just crap along gone holiday. This is stump pegs, but I'm probably gonna put onto the that thing. So this is gonna be an unboxing. Because I unboxed it when I went out and I got it in the car. But then I unboxed it for you guys. So it's a DK bike. It's like Tech Deck. It has all the makes they do. I'm really hoping to get. Oh damn! It's backwards on the iPod. Well, this Sunday, like company like a Mongoose, and I'm not really a BMXer, but I like BMXing, but I don't BMX. You know what I mean? Yeah. It's really cool. So these are Flick Tricks. Is that a sticker we can take off, or is that? Oh well. Just gonna open this. Maybe I'll just take this off. Nice background. By the way, it's actually it's a Flatland planes. I don't get it, but oh well. I don't care. It's got like a background saying DK, like faded. Oh, KB. Yeah, it's backward on my iPod. It's annoying. So there you go. Oops. I'll just show you all this other stuff, then I'll show you the actual bike. Okay. Okay, let's just start with these stuff. This is like it's a wrench. I've heard. Like, I actually thought at the start, I thought it was like a peg, one peg. Like, why I just got one peg? It's pretty big for a peg, so. Then I thought, oh yeah, that's the wrench thing, isn't it? So yeah, that's like the wrench. So you put that one side and then you screw it. And obviously you got the normal standard screw, for Tech Deck, because it is the same company who make Tech Decks as well. It's a black one instead. It's pretty cool. Put that back in. Done. And then the what are they called? The trick bars, I think. I'm not sure. Come on, you stupid plastic. Yeah, these are the trick bars. They're actually nicer. They're nicer shaped than these, but I don't like these at all because they're plastic. So yeah, there's no grips on it. Let's take the grips off this, and the thingamabob, what's it called? And you get a silver metal screw, to put it in. So let me just show you that from like that. So it's two trick bars and with the wrenches, wherever the wrench is, the wrench there. Now for the bike. This is the bike. It's a DK bike, and it's a Opsis, I think. I don't know. But yeah, I took the brake off because can't spin it around, so I was like, oh, should I take the brake? Should I take the brake off? Or so I decided to, but it's not even real. It's just a piece of rubber. So that's just. I know they're trying to make it as realistic as they can, but I ride no brakes on my BMX. So that's that. I don't know if you see. Yeah, it says Opsis, like a red thing there. Yeah. See the brake. There's a brake bit. Oh no! Why is my brake not working? So here's the bike. It's the metal. It's actually metal. I thought it might be in plastic. Really, really like hard metal. The whole frame's metal, for instance. The handlebars are metal. That's why I prefer these, because they won't break or anything. I'll just start from the whole thing. So I'll go from the wheel. The wheel is, this is the front wheel. Front wheel. It's cool. Goes pretty fast. Really fast. It's weird on the screen. There's like a DK badge there at the front. The foot spin's pretty nice. Bar spins. Very nice. Boss. Yeah, it spins really nice. The handlebars, metal, as I said. Got the grips. Let me take one off. Damn, I'm just flipping on the floor. Where are you? Grip! Grip! Oh, sorry. Grip. You just wiggle it on. See the metal bar? There's a brake. Press it down and it just. So what's this? Really useful for doing like what's it called? I don't even know this. When you go like that and you stop and you spin around. The only ones I know is like Buddy Hop and Tie Tap and stuff. Bar spin. And then you got the seat where you can adjust. You actually adjust like everything on the bike. It's really amazing, like TEDx basically. So sorry about this thing. So yeah, I'm really happy with the bike. Yeah. Sorry about the camera. It's a really good bike, and so yeah. I maybe might do a little crappy montage, but I don't know. Maybe when I get good at it. So yeah. Really happy with the bike. Boss. And yeah, see you later. Bye.